Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds ANKER Liberty 3 Pro. And the first one, you don't need to use your phone when you listen to music or watching a movie. You can use a gesture, and with this gesture you can play next or previous track or play next or previous video. You can also volume control the music or the video or the movie. You can call voice assistant, you can swap between ambient sound controls, so I guess it's a good one. Next one, these earbuds have ANC, and you can enable by gesture or in the application. So let's open the application and I will show it to you. Right here we have ANC, you can enable it, and if you perform here ID ANC test, you can also manage this ANC. You can use adaptive mode or manual mode, and right here we have 3 presets for it: strong, mid and lower. Next one, when you met someone, you don't need to remove your earbuds. You can enable transparency mode, and also for the transparency mode we have two modes here. It's a fully transparent and vocal mode, and for me vocal mode is the best one, that fully transparent, but I recommend it to test it. Maybe for you it's not. And also if you use ANC or transparency mode, you can enable wind noise reduction. You can't use it at the normal mode, so only at these two modes. Also you can perform here ID sound test, and also you can select it in the sound effects and improve your listening experience. Also you can improve your listening experience by enable 3D surround sound. I recommend it to check all of these mods. Right here we have a default equalizer presets, and here's a lot. You can select something good for you. You can also select like professional, so it's designed by Grammy winning, and right here as you can see we also have some of them, and you can just select it and test it. Or you can create a custom equalizer preset. It's up to you. You can also available to make it, and you can make more than one preset. You just click at the plus and name it, and you can make it. Or you can customize. You can, let's say, select one of the presets what Soundcore have on all devices, and then click custom and then customize it right here. Next one, we have dual connection, so you can connect two devices to your earbuds simultaneously, and I guess it's a good one. And the next top trick is just for Android user, is these earbuds support LDAC. So yeah, this codec do not support it at iOS devices, so if you have iPhone you can't use it. It only AC codec available for you. But if you have Android, yeah, and not all Android devices support it, but still, like maybe you will have it, and it will really improve your listening experience, so I recommend it to use it. If you have some trouble with your earbuds, you can easily perform a factory reset. You just put your earbuds to the charging case, and then at the back side we have connection button. You just press and hold it for at least 10 seconds, and these LED lights inside the charging case flashed rapidly 3 times, and then you just reconnect your earbuds to your phone, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!